Hey guys, I'm going to be reviewing the GoPro Studio version 5.7549 here in 2019. Now, this is the Windows PC version, so those of you who are Mac users, I envy you. Anyway, I'm not going to say the M word out loud because every time I try talking about Mac, this thing, the thermal throttling revs up on this computer like it's mad at me or something. I'm not joking. Here, listen to this. I just want you to know that I am going to be getting a MacBook in the future. I really am. And I'm sitting here doing a little test edit on this thing, make sure it runs okay, and all of a sudden this thing goes, the thing goes right crazy up, and I swear this thing knows what I'm saying. So anyway, this is actually running on some newer hardware, so this program runs smoother on this machine than it does on my desktop, my old compact. I started to review this. This is actually a video from just a bunch of random clips. These are all on my old channel. I want to make sure this program works so I can start my new channel. So whenever I go fishing again, because it doesn't matter how much I change, or how I change, I'm still gonna like fishing. Fishing is the kind of thing where once it doesn't matter who you are, it's just fun. You know, you get out there, you have a fishing rod in your hands, you put the cast in the water, and you're like, oh my gosh, it feels so good. So this seems to be playing back a lot smoother on Intel i7 processor. You want to see the other review videos and check out my other channel. Nice smooth crossfade, and here comes the text. And yeah, it looks nice. I mean, this definitely runs good on Intel processors. AMD is slightly better than Intel. So if you're gonna computer, you make sure it has AMD processor if you're an editor. Only because it makes your imports a little more crisp. Like those really high quality GoPro videos on YouTube are done with AMD processors, but most of the average GoPro videos are done with Intel. Just want to throw it out there. Not only that, but this program took like a lot less time to install than it did to open up. I just wanted to apply a transition to these clips. You technically could, so hit play. And no, I was not flipping a bird. I just hurt myself. I caught myself on a hook. So play. Flipping the bird. So yeah, and if you ever want to export it, you could do that. You gotta fade it out the video clip a little bit, and then fade in on the same. Then I'm gonna go over here. That's the audio controls. Make video the same. It's pretty hard to get it in the exact same fade out. Okay, so when I export this baby, go over to export, and it's gonna ask for qualities. Pick HD 1080. Now this is not a 4K laptop, so I can't pick 4K. I mean, you could do 4K, but it's only for compatible screens. This is full HD 1080p, so that's what you can do. If your screen is not 1080p, the best way to check is go in your display settings. On a PC, that's in the settings. So basically, you go over here to settings. If you want on Mac, I assume you gotta go to Mac. In the future, I will get a Mac at some point. I didn't say when, but I will. So don't be a brat to me. Anyway, I had to say that. So yeah, full HD displays. This is 1080p. 2 minutes. You go to export. Now it's gonna ask you where you want to save it to. I always go to my desktop, so I know right where it is. Now I'm just gonna name this test. Then you gotta go over to save. Now, already depends on computer speed. If it's fast like this one, it shouldn't take long at all. Video real fast. This is the test. Can't really tell on camera how good it is, but it's pretty good quality. It's actually, I mean, the thing is on YouTube, it appears in better quality than it does in your computer screen. It's only because it could be the lighting in your computer, the lighting in the room that could be making it look so good, but it looks pretty good. And this is a GoPro Hero 3 white, so it's kind of the contrast is kind of foggy. That's just default for the camera. Oh shoot.
Oh sure thing.
And this exports in pretty good quality for a freeware program. And I actually have this archived on my older desktop, which I synced over through a flash drive and I imported this computer earlier today. So you probably won't find it on the GoPro's website anymore. There's that quick program, which isn't as good. It's more like oriented for your phone or something. But for a computer, I wouldn't really recommend it to anyone. If I have my own website and if I knew how to you know, upload the link and for download, looks like it's good. Text look nice and sharp. Of course, the computer did cost $1,000, so for a PC, that's a pretty good price. I mean, not as good as a $3,000 machine, but for $1,000 for a PC is pretty good. But like I said, maybe if I'm Mac. I see how I swear this computer knows what I'm saying to it, like what I'm talking about. I mean, for its price, you'd think it would know a little thing or two what I'm trying to say.
Ow. Oh, that's where Grandpa is. I'm not ready to call him.
This was actually taken back in August of last year.
Got no service, so I can't call him anyway.
Looks like a pretty good quality. Looks better on camera. Yeah. So that was that. That is GoPro Studio. It seems to run just fine for 2019. So yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to peace out.